What's up, everybody? I know I am back. I know it has been such a few months since I have done another video, but y'all, I have so much to catch you all up on. I forgot how to record videos, but a lot has been going on. But before I start this video, I want to say I know gas prices are through the roof right now, but if you use Get Upside, they give you gas price. Wow, I should not do a promo and not know what to say. Alright, y'all, but before I start this video, I know gas prices are through the roof, but with Get Upside, you can get cash back for purchases you use not just for fuel, but also for groceries and for restaurants. Sign up using the link below and you'll get 15 cents off your first qualifying purchase. So, use that 50 cent off per gallon for your first qualifying purchase, and for every person that you refer, you also will get cash back because you referred them, and the chain just goes on and on and on and on and on. So with that being said, download Get Upside, link is in my description. Now let's get into the video. So y'all, I can't remember the last time I made a video, but I hired a driver. And we are no longer with Amazon Relay. For right now, I still have my account, of course, but we're over the road right now. Rolling with Nick is rolling over the road. And that, honestly, y'all, my driver got onto the road. There's been a lot that's been going on. First of all, I went through a very extensive process for hiring a driver. I posted an ad on Indeed, had a lot of applications, and did interviews, and this one just fit the match. He's literally godsend. So I'm very excited to have him a part of the team. He's amazing. I don't know if I could ask for a better driver, to be honest with you all. But his first day was Monday. We were supposed to start last week, but my truck was in the shop and the lead technician was out. So y'all, maintenance, I know everybody hates it, but it's most definitely a part of the trucking industry. If these birds could be quiet, that would be nice, but it's most definitely, and I don't have a microphone because I lost a little adapter part, so I have to get another one. And if anybody wants to send it to me, I'm playing. Just playing. But no, yes, y'all, so I hired a driver, but before I hired the driver, I was still running with Amazon Relay January through February. I ran a load on Saturday to, when my truck got out of the shop, I ran a load Saturday night, Sunday morning over to Rome, Georgia. And that was my first time doing Amazon Relay all year in the nighttime. That was my first time doing it because I was doing day loads, which honestly I prefer much over night loads. So yeah, I was doing day loads, but so that's what I was doing for January and February. So I was just doing Amazon Relay during the day, and I was also going through the process of hiring a driver. I was in the process of hiring a dispatcher, which she is absolutely amazing. And I was just, you know, driving and then hiring, And my goal always was, when I was starting a company, not to just be the driver. I wanted to be the owner more than the operator side. But I'm glad that I did drive. I learned the ropes, and I'm really glad that I started with Amazon Relay. I think it's a great start. But now I'm happy that I do have a driver, getting that OTR money. And yeah, so there's a lot that I have to catch you all up on, but I just wanted to come in, check in, do this video. Yeah, I have a driver, and he's great. The loads are coming in. Ever since he got the truck, he's had a load. He's on his fourth load right now. So yeah, he had to drop off this morning, and now he's picking up another load. So it's been great, to be honest with you. Expenses are, whew. I will give y'all the breakdown of my expenses once the whole month is over. But I just wanted to come in, check in with y'all. I'm still here. I appreciate everyone. I can't remember his name. I cannot remember your name, but if you are watching this and I saw you at the Amazon relay, when we're doing Amazon, I saw you at the pickup location and we talked about it. I'm so sorry I forgot your name, but I put your name down so I could mention you in the video, so I'll just put it in the caption or whatever. But nice meeting you, man. Keep grinding. You got this. And yeah, and Leslie, you're reaching out. You're over there in Pennsylvania. You got this. When you get your truck, just let me know. And yeah. So with that being said, y'all, I also, now that I am no longer in the truck, I am offering consultations just like everybody else. I am offering consultations, and also I'm offering on-time performance fix for Amazon. I'm offering consultations, and I will do a Amazon night training with you all for your Amazon load. So that link is going to be right here in the description. You just sign up, and then that's that. So that's that for this video. I have a few story times to tell you all, but I'll keep that for the next videos. But anyways, y'all, I want to thank you all for supporting me. Please continue to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll miss any of the latest content. And until next time, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all